Lit candle and everything.
Lit candle. I don't know what this is. What is this? What is going on, guys? Marty here. We're going to Queens. We're going to Fort Tilden. Right now we're in a bit of a little traffic here. They're fixing up the Verrazano Bridge. So I figured I'd start the intro right here. And this place is pretty cool. A lot of history here. Pretty much a military installation. So it's gonna be bunkers, batteries. We're gonna go check it out. Frickin' traffic sucks, but we're getting there slowly. I'm here with my boy Fez. We're gonna go exploring Fort Tilden. We found a place to park. Pretty much parked at the beach over here. Paid like 10 bucks. Tried parking closer to the Fort Tilden, but it's all permit parking for fishermen. All right, guys, we've been walking down for a little while. Found us a little trail here. Okay. It's a pillbox. Finally, this adventure's getting somewhere.
Yeah.
Been walking around for quite some time. Is there an entrance? Oh yeah, that's a hatch right there.
Oh yeah, this is lived in.
Yep.
Some homeless guy probably lives here.
There'll be somebody looking at the ocean here
Yeah.
and seeing if there's any Germans coming. Because this whole military facility was used in World War I, World War II, and also the Cold War as well. During the Cold War, there's actually a Mavic missile on site somewhere around here. Deactivated, and a lot of the equipment, pretty much all the equipment is taken away. Maybe a gun turret, I don't know. Or binoculars.
Maybe.
So right before we're on top where the pillbox is, but right on the side, that's the entrance to the bunker. I recognize it with the American flag. This one, I believe you can actually go inside. Yes, you can. So yeah, guys, these batteries are actually listed on the map. This one over here is battery 220. So we're gonna go inside, see how it is. Yeah, so when you first walk in, there's a couple rooms on the side. Long hallway. Oh shit, sorry man.
You're good, you're good, you're good.
I have seen online an actual map of this place underneath. The other side's kind of blocked.
I mean, it's lived.
This is it. Watch your step.
Yep.
Yeah, I wouldn't even step on this. What is this?
Trap door?
That,
Not a trap door, but like.
dude, does that go underground more?
Yeah.
But at one point, that went down more. Oh, and there's a way out back here, too. It's actual wooden steps here. Okay. This is pretty big. This is
huge.
This is huge.
I thought we were gonna come down here, there was gonna be like 2 little rooms or something.
Nah, yeah, this is pretty big. Oh, this is similar to Sandy Hook. How they have vents just coming along from one room to another. Just to transfer like cables too or anything. Oh.
That's amazing.
Grim Reaper. This table is freaking me out. It's like, God knows what was done on this table. Dude, that has not been opened. There's a tape here, a cassette. I don't even know that you can buy these stores anymore, cassettes. There's a small bathroom in here. Pretty much Fort Tilden is on the north side of the Hudson Bay. I have explored in Jersey, the Southern Defense System, like Sandy Hook, Fort Hancock. I have a video, I have actually 2 videos. when I was there. I have one, just like trying to go through most of the spots. And then there was a bunker just like this, a battery, and I didn't have the proper lighting equipment. So I went on a second trip out there, and I was pretty much exploring something like this by myself. But there's a couple more spots like this and Fort Tilden, so we're gonna go check it out. What the hell is this? A summoning circle?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Weird, man. All right, let's go check out this bunker. Yeah, this one's pretty good. Oh, wow.
Yeah, this one's different.
We're gonna take a look around here. Battery. What the?
That's scary.
That's scary.
Same one there.
Dude, what the?
Lit candle and everything.
Lit candle. Dude, this is freaking me out. This is freaking me out so much. Like, I don't even want to enter the room right now.
Someone straight up will try to summon Satan.
Dude, I don't know what this is. What is this? This is what happens when you go to these places.
Yeah.
Dude, what is this, man? It's like a shrine or something.
Someone clearly took their time.
Oh, wait, this is somebody who lives here.
Oh.
This is so weird.
Yeah, there's even a big ass fake spider over there. Do you see them, both of them?
Yeah. All right, dude, let's go. This is somebody's apartment or something.
It's really well furnished.
Yeah. This is so odd. What is up with that? We got ourselves into a weird bunker here.
That's the same. No, it's
That's a different room. Dude, is that like an altar or something?
I don't know. Some kids are having fun.
I don't know, man. This is saw like a lot of these feather shell things around the beach too.
There's all these people around there. There's a mob and everything.
Yeah, dude. Like... Okay, we're getting out of that bunker. It's just really weird in there. I don't know what's going on. Candles lit up everywhere. It's just weird. I don't know. Battery Kessler? Somebody turned into like a shrine or something. Okay, what we got here? Looks like some sort of warehouse. Not much. Look at that. What is this?
I'll tell you what it is. It's fucking terrifying.
Oh, there's a whole bunch of these. Someone's collecting them. Very odd, very odd. Like,
I'm a little scared now. Actually.
you're scared.
I'm waiting. Someone's gonna come back and just attack us or something.
This beach is probably as weird as Venice Beach, maybe even weirder. You know what? This is probably weirder. All right, so we're gonna continue. I think we found some here. We just kept walking up the trail. It's a loading dock. Pretty much, they would probably drive a vehicle up here and load it up. I don't think it's for trains just because of how low the ceiling is. Definitely not. I think it's too low.
Yeah. No,
I think it's probably just for vehicles.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, it was
Oh, there's
trains.
It is.
These are
Was
rails.
okay.
Right here.
All right. Got some rollers over here, so they're definitely loading up something. Ammunition, explosives, army supplies. Now there's two identical ones like this. It's Barry Harris, but there's an east and also a west one. This one's the west. You can imagine there will be a gun right here pointing up. to defend the city, pointing right at the ocean. Fez! Got in. Fez. Grab this. Fez is a lot thinner than me.
Yeah, you might not be able to.
Or if I get in, I won't be able to get out.
Yeah, you will. If you can get it from me, you can get it too.
Oh man.
You're in.
Oh shit. That was tight. Okay, so yeah, like where we were just before, the loading dock area, that was further up more. So they'll probably load whatever it was, maybe a cart or something, bring it down here, ammunition, right to the guns, if they needed it. Makes sense? I would think so, right? We could have really gone through here, so we didn't have to like sneak in, whatever.
Yeah, we're sneaks. That's what we do.
Welcome if you dare. Don't mind if I do. Wow, this place is pretty neat.
Yeah. What was it for, I wonder?
A love machine. Looks like some sort of, what do you call that? It's a lathe. That's a lathe, yeah. It will put something wooden or metal in between and then cut the end. Shape it any way you want. Yeah, that's a giant lathe.
Cool.
This guy renamed the love machine.
In the lab.
Crane. Yeah, it's a gantry crane.
This is a good idea.
Of course. Wow, this floor, I barely even trust this floor.
Yeah, no, I'm not working on that. I don't think.
Yeah, this building's a little odd. It's just like a warehouse. A lot of garage doors though around, so probably a shop to like maintain vehicles, if anything. I would say gantry crane, probably like heavy duty vehicles, obviously military. So yeah guys, we explored a lot of Fort Tilden. Got to see some crazy bunkers, some weird things in bunkers, some warehouses. It's been a good adventure. Well, make sure if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, because we go on adventures all the time. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And catch you on the next one.